Plants need water to thrive. It's the lifeblood that sustains them. Just like us, they need it to grow strong and healthy. Water is essential for their cellular functions and overall vitality. Without water, plants wilt, their leaves turn brown, and they eventually die. Dehydration can lead to irreversible damage. Proper watering keeps them lush and vibrant. It ensures that every part of the plant receives the hydration it needs. It helps them produce beautiful flowers and delicious fruits. A well-watered plant is more likely to bloom and bear fruit. Watering your plants correctly ensures they get the nutrients they need. Overwatering or underwatering can both be harmful. Water acts like a delivery system, carrying vital nutrients from the soil to the plant's roots. This process is crucial for their growth. When the soil is too dry, plants can't absorb these essential nutrients. The soil needs to be moist, but not waterlogged. Think of watering as providing your plants with a refreshing drink. It's a way to rejuvenate them and keep them healthy. It's a simple act of care that makes a world of difference. Regular and mindful watering can transform your garden into a thriving oasis. Knowing when to water is key for happy plants. Proper timing ensures that your plants get the right amount of moisture they need to thrive. The best time to water is usually in the morning. This is when temperatures are cooler and the sun is not too intense. Watering in the morning allows the soil to absorb moisture gradually throughout the day. This helps the plants to stay hydrated and reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Avoid watering during the hottest part of the day. The intense heat can cause the water to evaporate quickly. Watering midday can scorch your plant's leaves and waste water due to rapid evaporation. It's not efficient and can harm your plants. Check the soil moisture to determine if your plants need a drink. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure your plants are not over or underwatered. If the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, it's time to water. This method helps you gauge the right moment to water your plants. Remember, different plants have different watering needs. Some plants may require more frequent watering, while others thrive with less. Observe your plants and adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Paying attention to their specific needs will help them grow healthy and strong. The amount of water your plants need varies. Factors like plant type, pot size, and weather play a role. Overwatering is just as harmful as underwatering. As a general rule, water deeply but infrequently. This encourages strong root growth and prevents diseases. Water until you see it draining from the bottom of the pot. Pay attention to your plant's signals. Wilting leaves can indicate both underwatering and overwatering. Check the soil moisture to determine the cause. Adjust your watering routine based on the season. Plants typically need more frequent watering during hot, dry periods. Section 4. Soil, drainage, and your plant's well-being. Good soil is crucial for healthy plant growth. Well-draining soil prevents water from pooling around the roots. This helps avoid root rot and other problems. Choose a potting mix specifically designed for the type of plants you're growing. Avoid using heavy garden soil as it can compact and hinder drainage. Ensure your pots have drainage holes. These holes allow excess water to escape, preventing waterlogged soil. Consider adding a layer of gravel or broken pottery shards to the bottom of your pots for improved drainage. Section 5. Common watering errors and how to fix them. Even experienced gardeners make watering mistakes from time to time. It's easy to overlook the specific needs of each plant. Overwatering is a common culprit. It leads to root rot, yellowing leaves, and stunted growth. This happens when the roots sit in water for too long, depriving them of oxygen. Another frequent mistake is watering on a fixed schedule. Plants don't always need water at the same intervals. Remember to check the soil moisture before you water. As plants' needs change, stick your finger into the soil up to the first knuckle to see if it feels dry. Using the wrong type of water can also be problematic. Tap water, for instance, may contain chlorine or other chemicals. Hard water high in minerals can build up in the soil and harm your plants. This can lead to a crusty layer on the soil surface. To avoid these pitfalls, always feel the soil before watering. Use well-draining soil and provide adequate drainage for your pots. Consider using rainwater or distilled water for sensitive plants.